Hello everybody, welcome to another exciting episode of Gibbon Travelogue. And today we are in the DJI Flagship Store in Nanshan, Shenzhen. And wow, when I went in there, it just blew your mind. Lots of exciting stuff, from drones to cameras and everything. So okay, I will bring you to explore the place. Let's go! Today, we are exploring one of the coolest tech stores, not just in China, but perhaps the whole wide world, the DJI Flagship Store. If you are a fan of drones, cameras and everything tech, you are gonna love this place. The DJI Flagship Store in Shenzhen, located in the bustling Nanshan district, was first opened in 2015. The store quickly became an iconic space for experiencing DJI's innovative products. Following a comprehensive refurbishment in 2024, the flagship store covers an area of nearly 4,000 square meters, housed in an irregularly shaped standalone building with a newly designed interior. The building is branded DJI and Hasselblad. Yes, the world-renowned iconic Swedish company is now majority owned by DJI. As soon as you step inside, you'll be greeted by a clean, minimalist design that is very much in line with DJI's sleek high-tech brand. This store spans 4 stories. On the first floor is the DJI Experience Station. On the second floor is the DJI Oasis, where drones can be tested outdoor in the test flight area. On the third floor is the DJI Service Centre and Hasselblad Experience Station. And finally, on the fourth floor is the DJI Horizon Hall, which is designed as an event venue. Unfortunately, the second and fourth floor is not open to the public yet. Okay, let's look at the first floor, the DJI Experience Station. This is where DJI's products are displayed on custom-made tables, modeled after the angled shape of DJI's classic drone's propeller blades. The products are lit by lights which are of the same shape, suspended from the ceiling. Here, you can see DJI's lineup of drones, from the beginner-friendly DJI Mini series to the professional-grade Mavic 3 Pro. There's something for everyone. What's interesting in this world's largest DJI store is the display of DJI's agricultural solutions, which include the massive DJI Agras T60. This drone has a 50 kg spraying tank that can be used for seeding, watering and putting out forest fires. Drones aren't the only thing DJI is known for. There is also an impressive range of handheld cameras and gimbals, perfect for vloggers, content creators and even filmmakers. Check out the Osmo Pocket 3. It is compact, powerful and great for capturing cinematic footage on the go. I've got one of these. And also the Osmo Action 4, a camera that ensures true-to-life tones outdoor, indoors and even underwater. One of the coolest features of the flagship store is the Experience Zone, where you can actually test out DJI products. This is a space for customers to test out the drones so that you can practice flying before making any purchases. A standout feature of this flagship store is the exceptional customer service. Whether you need advice on choosing the right product or technical support for your existing gear, the staff here are incredibly knowledgeable and friendly. Next, I head to the third floor. The third floor is the DJI Service Centre and the Hasselblad Experience Station. This joint display area for DJI and Hasselblad is designed as an art gallery seamlessly integrated into the building itself. Unlike the bright and airy atmosphere of DJI's area, the Hasselblad space features a distinctly dark tone. The display counter and dark grey display boards add a sense of artistry and gravitas, reflecting Hasselblad's long-standing heritage. Okay, this ends the tour of this building. So, is this place worth a visit? Definitely. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a content creator, or just someone who loves gadget, the DJI Flagship Store in Shenzhen is definitely worth a visit. It's a one-stop shop for exploring some of the best tech on the market today. What's more, the prices here is generally cheaper than in Hong Kong and surprisingly on par with Singapore. Prices aside, the range of DJI products are way wider than any other DJI stores in the world. Okay, that's all folks. I hope you enjoyed this video of the DJI Flagship Store in Nanshan, Shenzhen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like, leave a comment for us and subscribe to Gibbon Travelogue. Until our next video, we'll see you again.